Come with me to see how we show our love and care. Come with me, my whole family will be there. See how we do things the princess way.
Camera is not making me look cute.
Shalom, Most High Christ bless. Today is Passover. Yesterday we went to the school, celebrated with all our family. There was a lot of people. Was good unleavened bread, good lamb, and good bitter herbs, I suppose. Ate with my lamb though. I didn't throw it away. Yesterday was the best class ever. Deliverance from America, modern day Egypt. I took some good notes, y'all. And I'm gonna take you guys with me. How we do our Passover? Let's go to the kitchen.
Mom, sis, what are you doing?
I'm mixing the
Looks good.
It looks so delicious. Tastes like lemon. Like I can taste the blueberries. I can taste sugar in it. So good, y'all. Shalom.
Shalom.
Happy Passover.
Happy Passover, dear banana.
What are you making?
I'm making some salmon
Ooh,
and some peas.
peas?
Yeah,
Okay.
you just rinsed off the cans for me for peas and opened them so that I was able to put them in the pot.
Is there anything I can help you with?
Well, you did. You wash the cans so that I could put the peas in the pot.
Putting some Creole seasoning. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna make a trivia. We can see if they will pass over that one. So, I'm gonna put trivia quiz. Trivia. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the Passover trivia quiz with my little sister, and this is how the questions. And I'm just gonna be waiting for her. Torah, close the pantry. Torah, close the pantry. But I'm waiting for her, so I'll let you know when we're ready. This has okay, so I'm going to be introducing you to drumroll, please. Torah. Question 1. What are 3 foods we eat for Passover?
Unleavened bread, bitter herbs, and lamb.
Correct. Okay. What kind of blood do we put on our doors?
Sheep's blood.
Correct. Sheep's blood. Good job. We got Grace.
Hello there.
And now we're gonna do our Passover trivia. Question number 1. What are the 3 foods we eat for Passover?
Lamb, bitter herbs, and a little bread.
Yeah, good job. What is the 7th plague?
Hellfire.
Yeah. What is Moses' stick called?
Staff.
Yep. Yay!
Like color to your plate. Food comes in every shade.
If fruit is the paint and the plate is the canvas, then every single meal is a portrait of an artist.
So we're about to play Uno, but the cards have been mixed up, so Tora's organizing it right now. How do we switch the camera around?
No,
So I can
just
see
no.
myself.
Don't switch. Don't do it to you. Just turn it back around.
Why can't we do it like this?
Because of you. We're gonna be listening to some music. Okay, Grace, tell them what you're gonna clean.
Wait, hold
You
on.
have to clean.
Wait, should we make this higher up? Oh my gosh! This stand, this tripod. Say what you guys are gonna clean. Say what
I'm
you guys are
gonna
clean.
They have to let.
What are you gonna clean? Wait, we gotta get you a camera.
Hurry up before my arms drop too. I'm gonna do the eating room and and schoolroom and the schoolroom. We're both gonna do the schoolroom together. I have to clean the dining room, and me and Tora have to work. We both work on cleaning the schoolroom, and
I have to clean the kitchen. I clean the kitchen, and that's it. What my job? Oh my gosh! I do the dishes. I wipe off the counters, and I sweep. And yeah, that's what I have to clean. Those are my chores. Yeah, this is.
What is that?
Throw up.
Huh?
I want some like.
Shalom guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We showed you how we make unleavened bread. We showed you how we clean. We played Uno. We made 3 types of unleavened bread. Cinnamon roll unleavened bread, lemon blueberry cheesecake, and caramel frappuccino unleavened bread. Whew. Okay, so yeah, we had a lot to do. It was also a Sabbath prep, and we made it all the way through. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Goodbye.
See how we do things the princess way.